Hello students, I welcome all the students all over the India from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Dr. Mohan sir, physics class. Today lecture is reflection of light at curved surfaces. Reflection of light at curved surfaces. So if you take the curved surfaces like concave mirror, convex mirror. So concave mirror means the reflecting surface is inwards. A spherical mirror in which the reflecting surface is inwards. You can see your palm, the reflecting surface, it is inward. So it is a concave mirror. So in the case of convex mirror, the spherical mirror in which the reflecting surface is outwards. So if the reflecting surface is outwards, it is a convex mirror. So we have concave mirror, convex mirror as the curved mirrors. Okay, let us discuss the 6 conditions for the concave mirror. When the object is at infinity, let us see the object. So when the object is at infinite distance, so when the object is at infinite distance, how is the nature of the image? What type of image is formed in the concave mirror? Let us see that. So let us see the object at infinity means you take the example of a sun. So the rays of the sun comes parallelly and falls on the mirror. The sun is at infinite distance. The rays of the sun come and fall on the curved mirror. So inward mirror. So it is a concave mirror. So let us see that it is a curved mirror. This is the principal axis and the rough surface is outwards, reflecting surface is inwards. The rays comes parallelly and falls onto the mirror. So parallel rays always passes through focus. This is our condition. So parallel rays always passes through focus. So this is the focus point. So the point where the rays converges on the principal axis is called focus. It is called as a focus. So if you see the arrow marks here, the reflecting rays are coming out from the mirror and you see that the rays are falling. So parallel rays, they converges at a single point on the principal axis. It is called focus. So the real inverted image is formed here. So what is the nature of the image? Nature of the image. So here what type of image is formed? Real image. Real images are always inverted. Now where is the image? Image is formed at focus. The image is formed at focus. How is the image? It is a real inverted image formed at focus and it is a diminished size, point size. So diminished image. Diminished means point size image. So diminished image, or we can take that it is a point size image. Now when the object is at infinity, all the rays will falls on the mirror, they get reflected. The reflected rays will converges at focus on the principal axis. It is called focus. Then we can get a real inverted diminished image is formed at focus, the nature of the image. So this is the first condition. We are looking up to the first condition. Now let us see the second condition. So in the case of second condition, when the object comes beyond C. So whenever there is a word beyond, use between. Beyond means between. Between means beyond. At focus, at infinity. At infinity, at focus. So these are the conditions you have to memorize it. Between, beyond, between, at focus, at infinity, at focus. So like that you have to store the subject. You have to remember the subject. Okay. So now the second condition, when the object is beyond C, is beyond C. C means double the focus. Double the focus is called beyond. That is the C point, center of curvature. That means the hollow sphere in which the center of the mirror, the mirror is a part of the center of the hollow sphere. The mirror is a part of the center of the hollow sphere. We are calling it as a center of curvature. It is double the focus. It's called the center of curvature. So the distance from the pole, that means the midpoint of the mirror, the center from the pole to the center of curvature, the distance is called radius of curvature. P to C, it is the radius of curvature. The distance from the pole to the center of curvature is the radius of curvature. Now we are able to see that when the object is beyond C. So beyond means we have to take between. So you draw the ray diagram for the concave mirror. It is a concave mirror. The shaded part is outside, and this is the principal axis. The line which is passing through the midpoint of the mirror. The line which is passing through the midpoint of the mirror is called the pole. That is the principal axis. Now we have to mark the center of curvature. It is the double focus. It is also called as 2f. It is also called as 2f. Now let them take that the object is beyond C. So let us take the object. This is the object. We are seeing that the object is beyond C. The parallel rays always passes through focus. So the ray which is passing after getting reflected from the concave mirror, it passes through focus. You can take the second ray. You can take the second ray either from the pole or from the focus. A focus ray always goes parallel to the principal axis. A focus ray always goes parallel to the principal axis. So now take the focus ray. This is a focus ray. After getting reflected from the mirror, it just passes parallel. It just passes through parallel. So they meets to form an image. They meets to form an image. When there is a meeting of the two rays, where there is a meeting of the two rays, there is an image is formed. Meeting of the two rays is the image formed. So this is image, how it is small size when comparing to the object. It is a small size. So what is the nature of the image? So let us see the nature of the image. Nature of the image. How is the nature of the image? First one, it is a real image. Real inverted image. Real inverted image. Now where it is formed? It is formed between C and focus. So this is a focus. This is the center of curvature. Formed between C and F. C and F. It is formed between C and F. And how it is? Small size. It is a diminished image. So small size. So small size image. Small size. Yeah, when it is compared with the object, it is a small size. This is condition number 2. This is condition number 1. So we have two conditions here. First condition is the object is at infinity. All the rays converges at single point. And we have diminished point size image is formed. Real inverted image. When the object is brought beyond C. Second condition. Beyond means it should be between. The image is formed between. So it is formed between center of curvature and the focus. It is in small size. Now the size has been increased when comparing to the point size. So the second condition, as the object is approaching towards the mirror, the image is shifting away from the mirror. The image is shifting away from the mirror when the object is approaching to the concave mirror. Now let us see the third condition. So here in the case of third condition, when the object is brought at C, so we have to keep remember at C same size. Okay, when the object is brought at C, now object is at center of curvature. Object is at center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature, how is the nature of the image? There will be a question asked, or sometimes the question can also be asked like that. Draw a ray diagram for the same size of the image to the same size of the object. Draw a ray diagram for the same size of the image to the same size of the object. That is in the case of at C same size, or on C, object is on C or at C, image is also formed at C, they are at same size. So same size image is formed to the same size of the object. Now let us see the condition, object is at C. Now draw the ray diagram for the concave mirror, a curved mirror. So reflecting surface is inwards and rough surface is out. This is the principal axis, the line which is passing through the pole, and the center of curvature is the principal axis. Now at C, now let us mark on C. So here the object and image is of same size. The object and the image is of same size and it is at C. It is at C. Now take the focus. The half of the distance is the focus. This is the focal point. Now take the parallel ray. Parallel ray always passes through focus. So let us mark this as focus. This is a straight line. The right rays always go straight. Go straight. And take the focus ray always goes parallel. The focus ray always parallel. So mark the focus ray always goes parallel. It goes parallel. It always goes parallel. Let's see here. So you just mark this as arrow mark, shows that the light direction. Arrow marks is important. So it is light direction. So this is at C, same size, real inverted, same size. It is formed at center of curvature. So nature of the image, let us write the nature of the image. Nature of the image. Nature of the image can be written as, so how it is the nature of the image? Real, inverted, real images are always inverted, real inverted, and formed at C, and how it is? It is same size that of the object, same size of the object. So these are the three conditions where we can remember that. At infinity, at focus, at infinity. Just reverse of that. First condition to fifth condition are reversed. Second condition, beyond C, the answer will be between. Between means beyond, between, beyond. So third condition is a special category condition where the image size and object size remains to be same, and it is a real inverted same size formed at center of curvature. Now let us see the fourth condition. Third condition is completed. This is the second condition. Now let us go to the fourth condition. So in the case of fourth condition, we see the object comes just forward. That means between the center of curvature and the focus. Now let us see the object, where the object lies between the center of curvature and the focus. So between means beyond. Beyond means between. Yeah, like that you have to keep remember. So here the condition is object is between C and F. So the object is between C and F. How will be the nature of the image? The question may be asked. Draw a ray diagram for the object between C and F and find the nature of the image. State the nature of the image. So here the object is between C and F. Draw one curved surface, that is a concave mirror. Draw shaded part is outside. This is the principal axis. The line which is passing through the pole and the center of curvature is the principal axis. Mark the center of curvature. Center point of a sphere is the center of curvature. So you can take that this is a sphere. If you imagine that this is a sphere part, that in the center it is the center of curvature. So mark the center of curvature, and it is also a focus of the part of that center of curvature to the pole is the focus. Now we want between. So when the object is between C and F, the image is formed beyond. Parallel rays always passes through focus. Parallel ray always passes through focus. A focus ray always goes parallel after reflecting. So if you take one parallel ray, or you take the ray from here pole, from the pole also you can take, so that the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection will be same. It follows the laws of reflection of light. You know very well that the incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lies in the same plane. Here the principal axis is the normal, and the incident ray and reflected ray all lies in the same plane. At the same time, the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, which is the first law. So if I take this ray here, as angle of incident is same as that of the angle of reflection, then it goes out like this, and it meets where the two rays are meeting, where the two rays intersects, that point where the image is formed. So the image is just bigger size than that of the object. The image is bigger size than that of the object. So what is the nature of the image? This is the image, this is the object. So nature of the image, or image nature. So it is a real image, inverted image, and where it is formed? It is formed at a beyond. Between means beyond center of curvature. It is formed beyond the center of curvature. And third point, it is of magnified image. Just थोड़ा बड़ा है, थोड़ा बड़ा image बढ़ गया. Object, it will be going towards a mirror. Image goes away from the mirror, and the size goes on increases. So it is a magnified image. Magnified image is formed here. So magnified image, you can see that a magnified image is formed. This is condition number 4. This is condition number 3. Condition number 3 is important in every examination. Condition number 6 is important in every examination. Now we have completed fourth condition, that is between. Object is between, image is formed beyond. So beyond, between, beyond, at C, same size. At infinity, at focus, at infinity. These are the various conditions you have to keep remember in brain. Okay? Yeah. Now let us see the next condition. When the object, now it is been between C and F. Now let us see the condition when the object is at C, at focus. It is going on moving towards the mirror. Now condition is when the object is at focus at infinity. Yes, at focus at infinity. You can draw the ray from the focus also. A focus ray always goes parallel. Yeah, you can draw the ray diagrams in different taking the different positions, different intersecting of the rays. That means you can draw the ray diagrams either by taking from the pole or from the focus. Okay, now let us see the object is at focus. This is condition number 5. Object is at focus. Object is at focus. Now the condition is object is at focus. Where will be the image? What is the nature of the image? What is the position of the image? Questions may be asked in different way, but the answer is only one. Okay. Now draw the curved surface. Shaded part is outside. This is concave mirror. And at focus, the object is at focus. Draw the object. Yeah, when you are drawing the object, the size of the object should be very less to the aperture of the mirror. Taking the aperture of the mirror of big size, and if you draw a object size smaller, it is very comfortable to draw in the examination. But ऑब्जेक्ट तो इतना बड़ा है, मिरर तो इतना छोटा है, इसको बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा तो ड्रा करने में. ओके, नाउ पैरेलल रे ऑलवेज passes through focus. Yeah, take the parallel ray, always passes through focus. Yeah, you see that the ray is always parallel to focus, going along the focus, from the focus. Now take another ray. Okay, you take the ray here from C, center of curvature. Take the ray from center of curvature. A ray which is passing through the center of curvature will reflect in the same direction. This is one of the rule to draw the ray diagram. A ray which is passing through the center of curvature, after reflecting from the mirror, it goes in the same path. It retraces in the same path. That is a condition to draw the ray diagram. Rules to draw the ray diagram. A ray which is passing through the center of curvature, after reflecting, it retraces in the same path. So, the ray which is passing after getting here, it retraces in the same path. After getting reflected, it retraces in the same path. It reflects in the same path. So you can see at infinity means the two rays will be at infinite distance. Infinite distance means we can't estimate the image position. So that is why in the textbook, state syllabus textbook, they will give some line dots, fill in the blank dots. That indicates we can't estimate where the image is formed at infinity, at focus, at infinity. So the image is real inverted. It is formed at infinity. We can't see that. It is highly magnified image. What is the nature of the image? Highly magnified image. So it is a real image. Real images are always inverted images. Inverted image. This is the nature of the image. Nature of the image. Real inverted image. And it is formed at infinity. Formed at infinite distance. Because the object is at focus. Because the object is at focus, the image is formed at infinity. It is. Now, it is a real inverted image formed at infinity distance, highly magnified. Highly magnified. Magnified image. Very big size. Infinity distance. अरे भैया कहाँ गए? कहाँ मिल गया इमेज? बिग इमेज तो बहुत दूर मिल गया. कहाँ है? कैसा पहचाना भाई? तो इसीलिए टेक्स्ट बुक में क्या रख दिया? dot 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 dots. मतलब estimation is at infinity. Okay, so this is the condition number 5. Now let us see the condition number 6 is very important condition, very important condition. Object is between. Between means this is a special category diagram. When the object is between the focus and the pole of the mirror. So when the object is between focus and pole. Focus and pole. The object is between focus and pole. This is a between means you don't estimate that as per the second condition or fourth condition. This is a special category diagram. When the object lies between pole and focus. Pole and focus. Let's see how the diagram. So draw a curved surface, principal axis, and you see that the curved surface, rough surface is outwards and the smooth surface is inward. Now take the focus, then after that you take the object is focus and between the focus and pole. Now parallel ray, after falling on the mirror, the parallel ray after falling on the mirror, it goes through the focus, it passes through the focus. Take another ray, that is from C, from the top of the object. From the top of the object you take the ray. Here you take the ray. These two rays will meet to form a virtual image. A virtual image. Just you extend these rays back into the mirror. A virtual image is formed. So a virtual image is formed here. See, this is extended ray. So nature of the image. Nature of the image. Nature of the image is virtual. It is a virtual image. You can see that a virtual image is formed. Virtual images are always erected images. Virtual image, always a erect image. Virtual erect image. Virtual erect. Where it is formed? It is formed behind the mirror. Formed behind the mirror. It is formed behind the mirror. And how it is? It is enlarged image. Enlarged. So the image is enlarged. Enlarged image. Image is enlarged. So you can see that there is an enlarged image. There is an enlarged. Image is enlarged. Image is बड़ा है, वर्चुअल है, एरेक्ट है, पीछे है, सिक्स्थ कंडीशन में है, जरूर आ जाएगा एग्जाम में. सो इतना मुश्किल डायग्राम है. क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट लाइज बिटवीन फोकस एंड पोल and the image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror always forms a virtual erect image, highly magnified image, enlarged image behind the mirror. These are the nature of the image, position of the image. Virtual image cannot be caught on the screen. बहुत मुश्किल है. अरे दर्पण में है जी, इसका दर्पण में है, कैसे? How can you catch that image when it is inside the mirror? Is it possible to catch the image, to catch the image in the mirror? It is in the mirror, inside the mirror, beyond the mirror, inside the mirror. So पकड़ना, स्क्रीन में पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है ना? सो इसीलिए वर्चुअल इमेज बोलते हैं. वर्चुअल इमेज आर ऑल एरेक्ट इमेजेस, है ना? So this is how the 6 conditions we have to remember. So once again we revise. The object at infinity, image is formed at focus. When the object comes beyond center of curvature or double the focus, so beyond, it is between. Between is real inverted image. Okay? Diminished image. That means small size. थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता. फर्स्ट कंडीशन के सेकंड कंडीशन में थोड़ा बढ़ जाता. हम भी बढ़ जा रहा ना, बच्चे से आके बड़े हो रहा. So now third condition is a special condition. At C same size. At C same size. In the same size, the object size and the image size both are same, but image is real inverted, same size, formed at center of curvature. So they may ask you this question in the examination. To do the diagram for the image size and objective size should be same. So like that. Third condition over. Now fourth condition is the object comes between the center of curvature and focus. Between means beyond. The between means beyond. The image shifted to back, goes away from the mirror. So थोड़ा बढ़ जाता. So इसलिए real inverted and magnified image, it is beyond the center of curvature. This is fourth condition. Fifth condition means at focus. At focus, at infinity. At infinity, at focus. First condition, fifth condition, reverse. At focus, at infinity. At infinity, at focus. Just opposite. Now, sixth condition. Sixth condition is entirely different from all five conditions. All five conditions are real inverted, real inverted, real inverted. But the sixth condition is virtual erect image. It is a virtual erect image formed behind the mirror, and it is a large image, highly magnified image. Understand? So now, applications of these concave mirrors. These concave mirrors have been used in the solar cookers. सोलर कुकर मतलब तो क्या है, राजस्थान में जाके देख लो, सब लोगों का सोलर कुकर्स रहते. क्या करते हैं हम लोग, बाहर लेके जाके खाना पकाते या टी बनाते, चाय प्रिपेयर करते. मतलब तो क्या है, गर्मी बहुत रहती, धूप रहती. द सन इज ऑलवेज फोकसिंग ऑन टू द कॉन्केव मिरर्स विच हैव बीन प्लेस्ड in the interior courtyard of their houses. They converges to a single point where the intensity of the heat will be more. That is, the image of the sun is formed at focus. At infinity of the sun, the image of the sun, it is very high temperature at focus. It is maintained. The materials to be cooked are placed at the point of the focus, and the raw materials immediately they have been cooked away within the short period of time. Okay, that is the solar cooker. Solar furnace मतलब तो क्या है, so many types of mirrors are arranged. So many types of mirrors, not one type of one mirror, concave mirror. So like that, concave mirrors, many mirrors are arranged. All the light rays, when they falls on the concave mirrors, when they have been placed together, they converges to a single point. Yeah, single point they converges, and high intensity of heat is produced there, and that it acts as a furnace भट्टी. तेलुगु में क्या बोलते हैं, भट्टी बोलते हैं. भट्टी मतलब तो वो भट्टी नहीं है, यहाँ पे गर्मी टेम्परेचर, बहुत गर्मी टेम्परेचर रहते हैं. सो देयर द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द हीट विल बी मोर, एंड दे कैन यूज इट फॉर bricks burning and coal burning to produce electricity. Like that they will be using for different purposes. Solar cooker, solar furnace, and you know very well the third condition is not third condition, at infinity at focus. If you see the car headlight, the car dome inside, the car dome inside, it is a concave shape. Yeah, it is a concave shape. The electric bulb is placed at focus. So at focus, at infinity, the rays falls on the mirror and it goes straight away to infinite distance. The flow of rays goes to infinite distance. At focus, at infinity. Bulb is at focus. In the concave mirror, that is in the concave shaped dome of a car headlights. अरे टॉर्च लाइट, अरे भाई टॉर्च लाइट देखो, टॉर्च लाइट उसका बल्ब कहाँ रहते, एट फोकस में रहते. टॉर्च लाइट का बल्ब अंदर छोटा बल्ब रहता ना, कहाँ पे रहते, एट फोकस में रहते. सो फोकस मतलब तो एट फोकस एट infinity. The rays falls back of the concave shaped dome and it just sends the rays to infinite distance. So focus करो या छोर कहाँ है, फोकस करो. तो मतलब तो क्या है, तो rays are directly flowing out to infinite distance when the bulb is placed at focus. At focus, at infinity. Same in the case of concave mirror. Okay, car headlights. Both are similar. These are the various applications we have been used for the concave mirror. Understand? So just prepare one table. You just as the conditions what I told you accordingly in order, 1 to 5 conditions, real inverted image. Sixth condition is also for the concave mirror, it is a virtual erect image, and put one star mark for third condition and sixth condition. Third, at C same size, and last one virtual erect highly magnified image. So इसको थर्ड कंडीशंस को सिक्स्थ कंडीशन को स्टार लगा दो, पढ़ लो, प्रिपेयर कर लो टेबल मतलब क्या छोटा टेबल बन जाओ. So it is very easy for to take the table also. Here it is. Here serial number by. Next object position. Next image position, and nature of the image. चलो बन जाओ एक टेबल. सीरियल नंबर क्या भाई? एट इन्फिनिटी सूरज, एट इन्फिनिटी. पोजिशन ऑफ द इमेज एट फोकस, रियल इन्वर्टेड diminished image. Real inverted diminished image. D मतलब diminished, R real, I inverted image. Second, beyond C, it is between C and F. Real inverted small size image. Size थोड़ा diminished. Small size मतलब diminished image. This is a diminished image, small size. Which says a small size, a diminished image. Now at C star लगा दो, इसको star लगा दो. At C or on C, at C, real inverted same size image is same size. Now fourth condition. Now between object position is between C and F. So we take the object is between C and F. Between means beyond C, center of curvature, पीछे beyond C. It is also real inverted and थोड़ा बढ़ जाता, सेम साइज है ना, थोड़ा बढ़ जाता. So it is magnified image is formed. Now fifth condition, at focus. Now it is at focus at infinity. At focus at focus. Thoda reverse. So here also real inverted magnified image, enlarged image. Magnified मतलब तो enlarge. We take enlarged image. Enlarged image is formed. Now sixth condition, star रख दो, star लगा दो. So sixth condition is focus to pole, between focus and pole, between. So it is found behind the mirror. Image is found behind the mirror. Position of the image कहाँ है? Behind the mirror. कहाँ ऐसे है? Virtual, erect and highly magnified image. Virtual, erect, highly magnified image. So this is how we have to prepare the table. All of you prepare the table, and so that you can easily remember the table perfectly. If you are perfect, you can draw any diagrams. Diagrams are very easy and you can remember for a long time. At infinity, at focus, at infinity. Beyond, between, beyond. At C same size. इसको जोड़ी कर लेना. At C असली मतलब तो क्या करना? Same size बोलना. Now here also between is there, but when you say between here, F and pole, focus and pole. So when it is formed between focus and pole, virtual erect image is formed. Highly magnified virtual erect image is formed. So this is the way how we have to remember the subject. Okay. So I hope that all the students have got the information how to remember the subject. Okay students, yeah, thank you for sharing my video. All over the India, my students are being spread over. I have worked in international school. My students are there in Nepal, Srinagar, Jhansi, Itarsi, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Kanyakumari, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. I thanks to all the students. Please like my video, share my video, and your Mohan sir is with you forever. Okay students, have a nice day. Enjoy your subject.